In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block Adobe Acrobat's internet access on Windows 2025. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, you'll want to open the search box on your computer. You can typically do this by clicking on the magnifying glass icon on the taskbar or pressing the Windows key on your keyboard. Once the search box is open, type in Control Panel and press Enter to launch it. With Control Panel up and running, you'll want to find a specific feature by typing Windows Firewall into the search field within the Control Panel window. When the results appear, find and click on Windows Defender Firewall. On the left-hand side, you'll see an option for Advanced Settings. Go ahead and click that. This will bring up the Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security window. You'll notice a menu on the left. We need to start by working with the inbound rules, so click that option. Then, on the right-hand side, you'll see the action pane with several options. We're looking for new rule, so go ahead and click on that. Next, we're going to create a program-specific rule, so select Program and click Next. Now you need to tell Windows exactly which program's internet access you're looking to block. Click on Browse and navigate to your Acrobat installation folder, which is usually somewhere like C/program files /Adobe/Acrobat DC/Acrobat Plus. In that folder, you should see a list that includes the Acrobat executable. This could be something like Acrobat XE or perhaps the installer if you're targeting that specifically. Select it, then click Open. Click Next to proceed to the action step. Here, choose Block the Connection and then click Next again. You'll want to make sure that all three options, domain, private, and public, are checked. This ensures that you're blocking the connection in all network environments, whether you're at home, work, or connected to a public network. After confirming those selections, click Next. It's helpful to give this rule a clear and descriptive name so you can easily identify it later. Something like Block Acrobat Inbound works well. After naming your rule, click Finish. You should now see your new inbound rule listed, signifying that Adobe Acrobat's inbound internet access is successfully blocked. We've handled inbound, now let's do the same for outbound. Click Outbound Rules in the left pane. Just like before, you'll click New Rule and select Program, then Next. Browse once more to the Acrobat executable, select it, and hit Open. Click Next, select Block the Connection, and Next again. Once more, ensure Domain, Private, and Public are all checked, then Next. Give this rule a name, like Block Acrobat Outbound, then click Finish. And there you have it. Both inbound and outbound internet access for Acrobat has been restricted. If you found this guide helpful, consider giving us a like and subscribing to the channel for more content. Thanks so much for watching.